class second subject maths. Previous classes we are studying chapter first, and then we are studying chapter second, addition. Previous classes, class first you already know how to addition, and you also know and solve the questions also addition problem. So this is your word problem. Question first. Nisha went to a grocery store. Nisha went to a grocery store. Nisha कहाँ जाती है? Grocery shop पे जाती है. She brought a 16 packs of cookies. She brought a 16 packs of cookies and 22 packs of noodles. Nisha went to grocery shop. She brought 16 packs of cookies and 22 packs of noodles. निशा क्या है? निशा ग्रोसरी शॉप जाती है और क्या खरीदती है? वो 16 पैकेट कुकीज की लेती है और 22 पैकेट नूडल्स की लेती है. Then how many packs did she buy in all? अब उसने ग्रोसरी शॉप से कितने पैकेट टोटल लिए? जैसे आप ग्रोसरी शॉप पे जाते हो, आप क्या लेते हो? टॉफी लेते हो, पेंसिल्स लेते हो, सारे डब्बे लेते हो, तो टोटल कितने होते हैं? कि आपने क्या क्या ले लिया? कितनी पेंसिल ले ली? कितनी? So Nisha went to a grocery shop. She brought 16 packs of cookies. How many packs of cookies? 16 packs of cookies. And how many packs of noodles? 22 packs of noodles. 22 packs of noodles. Tens and ones place. Ones place means 16 का ones place का 6 and 1 is tens place. Then 22. 22 one place 2 and 2 10 place. अब Nisha went to a grocery store. She brought a 16 pack of cookies and 22 packs of noodles. How many packs she buy in all? अब टोटल उसने क्या खरीदा? तो आप क्या करोगे? एडिशन करोगे कि सब्ट्रैक्शन? एडिशन. So we put here addition, sign of addition. This is the sign of addition. And total 6 and 2. 6 and 2. Yes. 7. Sorry, 8. 8. 1 and 2. 3. How many packs of she buy in all? How many packs of she buy in all? 38 total packs. Total she buy 38 packs total. उसने कितने पैक्स खरीदे? उसने 38 पैकेट खरीदे. तो 16 नूडल्स के, 22 नूडल्स के and 16 पैक्स ऑफ कुकीज. तो आपने क्या किया? इसका प्लस एडिशन. And then same to same next question. Same to same next question. In a toy shop, there are 125 toys car. In a toy shop, एक toy shop है. आप देखते हो ना toy shop में जाते हो तो आपने क्या देखा? वहाँ 128 toy shops, toy cars रखी हुई है. 216 soft toy. Soft toy means teddy bear. Soft toys. How many soft toys? 216. How many toy cars? 125. And 95 board games. How many board games? How many board games? 95. How many items are there in all? Total items शॉप में कितने हैं? आप किसी शॉप में जाते हो, आपको वो शॉपकीपर जो है आपको शॉप दिखाएगा. वो बोलेगा 125 टॉयज कार है, 216 सॉफ्ट टॉयज है, 94 बोर्ड गेम्स है. तो आप क्या सपोज करोगे? क्या इसके पास कितने हैं? बहुत सारे. तो कैसे सॉल्व करोगे इसको? प्लस करोगे. यस, 100. ये 100 पर डिजिट क्या होगी? चेंज होगी. 100 125 100 प्लेस 1 and 10 place 2 and 1 place 5. 5 twice cars. Twice cars. And then 216. 216. 100 place 2 and 10 place 1 and 1 place 6. Soft twice. Soft twice. Right? And then 95 board games. How many board games? 95 board games. 9 is 10 place. Where is 10? T. 10 place. 9 is 10 place and then 5 is 1 place. 5 is 1 place. Board game. Board games. Total twice. Total 5, 6 and 5. 5, 6 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then count up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 15, 16. How many digits here? 16. 5, 5, 10. 10 plus 6, 16. 1, 6, 16. 6 is here and 1 is carried. 1 is carried. And then 2 plus 1 plus 9 plus 1. 2 plus 1 plus 9. 9 plus 1. 1 carry. So how many here? 9. 13. 13. 3 here and 1 carry. 2 and 1 and 1. 2, 1, 3. 3, 1, 4. How many total twice in सौ? अब आप क्लियरली बोल सकते हो कि जो ट्वाइस ऑफ्स है उसमें कितने ट्वाइस हैं? हाउ मेनी ट्वाइस इन ट्वाइस ऑफ्स? इन अ ट्वाइस ऑफ्स देयर आर 125 ट्वाइस कार, 216 soft toys and 95 board games. How many items are there in all? So 436 total toys. Total toys. How many toys? 436 total toys. So clear? Divide. We are going to divide. First question. Nisa went to a grocery store. She brought a 16 pack of cookies, 22 pack of noodles. How many packs did she buy in all? 10 place and 1 place. 100 place not there. 100 place 16 packs. 1 is 10 place. 6 is 1 place. But 100 place not any digit. So we are not right here. 100 place. Right? 22 noodles. 2 is 10 place and 2 is 1 place. So 22 packs of noodles. So how many total packets? 6 to 8. 1 to without carry. This addition is without carry. But here we solve it with carry. So total packs of 38. But this question in a toys box there are 125 toys car, 216 soft toys and 95 board games. 125 is the 100 place, 10 place and 1 place. 100 place, 10 place and 1 place. 100 place 1, 2 is 10 place and 5 is 1 place. Same soft toys. How many soft toys? 216 soft toys. So 2 is 100 place, 1 is 10 place and 6 is 1 place and 95 board games. But here not any digit. So we write 0 otherwise not. 95 is 9 is 1's place and 5 is 1's place and 9 is 10's place. So 95 and their total 5, 5, 10 and 6, 16. So we are total 9, 1, 2 and 1. So 13. 3 right here and 1 also here. 2, 1, 3 and 1, 4. 436 total twice. How many twice? 433 total twice in a twice of. आप क्लियर आंसर दे सकते हो कि जो ट्वाइस ऑफ है उसमें 436 टोटल ट्वाइस है, राइट? सो इट्स योर मैथ्स बुक and you given the so many examples, so you solve in page number 35. And then next some puzzles, we are solve on some puzzles. We written here addition puzzle, right? It's a game. Look here. What is this? This is square. This is square. This is 30. What is 30 and 9 and question mark? Question mark. 20 and 5 and question mark. And we are solving it, right? It's a puzzle. Plus is equal to 30 plus 9 is equal to 30 plus 9. Suppose that 10's place, 1's place, 3, 0, 30 and 9 plus 9, 3, 39. So we write here 39. And 20 plus 5, 20 plus 5, we write here 25. And question, it's a question. 30 plus 20. So solve. 3 plus 2, 5, 0, 0, 50. 9 plus 5, 9 plus 5, 40. 9 plus 5, 40, right? And here 9 plus 5, 9 plus 5, oh, 40, 4 and 1 cancel. 10's place and 1's place, 30 and 9 and 20 and 5. 9 and 5, 9 and 5. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many? 9 and 5. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So we written here 4 and 1 carry. 1 is carry. 3, 2, 5 and 1, 6. 64. Answer is 64. Right? 9 plus 5, 40. 50 plus 40. We plus and is equal to 50 plus 40. 50 plus 40. 50. 50 plus 1, 4, 40. 4. 5, 1, 6. Answer is right. And 20. आप इस तरफ से प्लस करो. 30 plus 20 is equal to 50. 30 plus 9 is equal to 39. 20 plus 5 is equal to and plus 39 plus 5 is equal to, it's a game, puzzle. We solve. And next game. Same these puzzles. Next puzzle. It's your homework. Solve the puzzles. Page number 41. Number 41. Homework. Solve the puzzle. Same puzzle here. Page number 40. 40. Here also given one puzzle. So you solve in your home. 52 6 is equal to 16 plus 7. You solve this puzzle in your write here 60 plus 7 is equal to, write here, and then this is plus and write here, this also plus and is equal to. Solve. Clear? So next class we are solve so many word problem related to addition, chapter 2nd. Thank you students, and complete this homework also. Right, bye.